Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Naim bin Muhammad Zaid, and today I will be teaching you on how to do this design drawing. Okay, this is what we call this technique is called revolve and sweeping. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna open a new file, click make drawing and part, and click OK. Okay, after that, click on front plane. Click on right click. Oh, first of all, we must setting our this one our measurement from IPS go to millimeter per gram. So now click on front plane, click on normal tool, and then click on sketch. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this line tool, click from origin, and drag it all the way on top. So it doesn't matter where do you want to go, put it, then click, and then right, make it okay like this 90-degree. Okay, and then click escape. After that, draw one more line in below this. Click on line tool, click on here, and then click on here, just like this. Okay, so and then click escape. Okay, so what we're gonna do after this, we're going to dimension it. So, okay, click on smart dimension tool, click on this line. Oops, sorry. Click on dimension tool, click on this line, and then click here. And then input 30. And click OK. After that, click here. In this, still I am active on smart dimension tool. Click here, and then input 200. And then click OK. Okay, so we will be having like this. Okay, so now for the last line, click here, and then click here, and then input 90. Okay, so after doing the dimensions, we want to use tangent arc. Okay, so now click on tangent arc tool, click on this first, then click on tangent arc tool, and then click tangent arc. Click on this one, this point, and then you go turn it until it goes 180 degrees. Then left click. After that, click escape. Okay. So after this, we want to dimension the circle, this arc. So click on smart dimension tool, then click here. And then we put the radius to set to 10. And then after that, click OK. After that, click on another line tool, click on here, then click on line tool, then click on this point, go until 150. Then click escape. So after that, click on 3-point arc. Okay, on the 3-point arc, you place it anywhere that you like, maybe around here, the middle, and then click here. Then you go scroll it. Okay, 180. and then use Smart Dimension tool. Click here, click on this circle, on it radius. So choose 20. Then click OK. Okay, so now after finish on Smart Dimension tool, okay, so we zoom in a little bit to this picture. Then click trim entities, and then you click trim to closest. Then trim this. Okay. So that's what you want to do. Click OK. And then click on Smart Dimension tool. Click on this line, and then you input it 40. Okay, like this. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, to click this, click on control, click on this line, and then click on this line. Then click on equal. Okay, so now your line will be equal, the same as this top one. If you don't try, okay, so it is the same. Then click escape. Okay, so now after we equal these two lines the same, so now what we're gonna do, we want this arc to be uh fully defined. So what we're gonna do, click on control, click on this this center point, and click on this line. So click coincident. So now your line, your arc has fully defined. So after that, click OK. So now your look will be like this. So after that, we want to continue our tangent arc. So now I want to make apologize because I have the wrong measurement. So we input it to 220. Okay. So now after that, click OK. Okay. After that, what we're gonna do? Click on tangent arc. Click on this point, and then click on somewhere like this, and then you put it here. Okay. So now we will be having this kind of shape. Okay. After that, click on Smart Dimension tool. Click on this one, and then input 60. After that, click OK. Then on the Smart Dimension tool, on another part, click 12.5. Okay. So your shape will be looking like this. After that, click on Smart Dimension tool, click on this part and this part. So you will be having this 80. Then this dimension driven. So you click OK. After you finish here, then you want to click OK. After that, click on features, click on revolve, boss, or base. And then you want to click this one on this line. So make it blind and then 360 degrees. So it will be having this model. After you have the full preview, click OK. So there you will be having your full scale model. Okay, so now after you have finished revolving this model, you want to click to front plane, right click and click normal tool. Okay, then you click on sketch. You want to choose display style, shaded. Okay. Click on sketch. Okay. After that, you want to click on top of here, click view, click hide slash show, click temporary access. So now we will be having this kind of access. Okay. So after that, click on line 2. Or before that, we want to choose this kind hidden lines remove. Okay. After that, click on line 2 and click on this middle part. So you will be having like this, then skip, and then you click on smart dimension tool, click on this line, click 60. Then click OK. Okay, so after that, click on tangent point, tangent arc, then click on this edge, this point, then you go upwards. Then left click. After that, we want escape and then click on smart dimension tools and then input it 150 for radius. Okay, so now we want to measure its height. So click on smart dimension tools, click on this point and this point. So the height will be around 65. Okay. So now click on OK. Still click on tangent arc tool. And then click on this edge. And then make a circle. Around here. Okay. Then click escape. And then you click on smart dimension tool. Click on the radius. Click on 20. So we want to click on smart dimension tool. Click on this part. And then insert 20. Then click OK. Okay, after that, we want to make this point and this point to be in the horizontal position. Okay, so now click on control, click on this point, click on this point. Oh, sorry. Control, oh, escape from smart dimension tool, click on control, click on this point and this point. Oops. Wrong again, sorry. Click on this point, this point. So click on horizontal. So it will show like this. And then after that, click on properties, click OK. Okay, now. So after that, click on smart dimension tool. Click on this point and then click on the origin point. So we want it to be 10 millimeters. So now it will be the handle will be go to the bottom of your candle light. Okay, after that, after finish this, click on OK. After we finish this part right here, we want to go to exit sketch, click on right plane, click on number 2, and then click on sketch. So now we want to do our ellipse. So click on this one, click on here, and then click on, oh, sorry, click on ellipse, click on here, and then here. Okay, so now click OK. After then, we want to make sure this point and this point horizontal. So click on control on this one, this point, and this point. This point and this point. Then you click horizontal. Okay, so now it's already horizontal. Okay, so we click save. So after that, we want to click OK. Okay, now we can put the dimensions of our ellipse. So now the dimensions is this point and this point and this point are equivalent to 10 millimeters. Okay, after that, click OK. And click on another smart dimension. And for this part, we want to put 35. Then click OK. So after that, click OK. And then after this, you will be wanting to go to isometric views. So on isometric view, you zoom in a little bit here for this part. Then from this point, click on control, press on control, click this point, then click on control and this point. So you will be clicking coincident. Okay, so your drawing will be looking like that. Okay, after making the ellipse, go down here. Okay, so now we will be clicking swipe boss or base. Click on this one, click on the ellipse. And then for this one, click on this line. Okay, so now click OK. Okay, so we will be having this look. So what we want to do, click on the display style and click on shaded with edges. So it will be like this. So after that, we want to close our view, hide set show, and temporary access. Okay, so now our model will be looking like this. Okay, so now what we want to do, we want to make a hole here for the candle. Click this and click zoom normal to. Then click sketch and then click on circle on the origin. Then you put here. I think around like here. Yeah, and then left click. Then click OK. And then click on Smart Dimension tool. Click on this one. And insert 30. Okay, so now, after finish, click OK. After that, click on Isometric View. We want to click here and then click Extruded Cut. Okay, so now, Extruded Cut, we will be putting around the depth is 25. Then click OK. Okay, so now The inside will be looking like this. Okay, so click on isometric view and then click on edit appearance. Okay, click on option on edit appearance. Click on okay, so this color. Okay, there you have it. So this is our final look. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.